Alina, aka Carly, chuck a random hose.
A hose. This is the
From a house or whatever. So you can like squirt you with it. And then we got
the pylon. This is our birthday treat for Haley.
Yay, my birthday treat is my birthday. Look at the hat.
We got hats and we got soothers. Mine just fell out of my nose.
Cheers.
Oh. Ow, my hat. No, it tastes like dirt.
Okay.
Well, I know where to my house.
Yes. We're on the way to Lena's house. I don't know if I'm going to stay here, but I'm going to stay anyway. And then my phone's dead. I talked to Lena.
Who did what?
Talk to Lena.
Hello, camera. Oh, the hose! So we took this from a random, like, old people's...
Oh!
The hose is leaking.
The hose
It's crying.
is leaking. Look, it's crying because we left it home. That's not really water. That's like Alina's period blood.
Yeah, all the time.
She leaks everywhere. Look at it. Look at her leak. Alina, go to the left a bit. Walk on the left. Walk on the left. Go over there more. Stand right here. Or then just keep walking like that. Keep going. Oh, it's gone now.
Take there.
Do you want to?
Where are we going to put it?
There's nowhere to put it.
There's nowhere to put
Is there
it.
anything in here I can take?
No. This is where Mr. Noodles.
Mr. Noodles?
Those are noodles.
Noodles are freaking... Why not in here?
Oh! Let's take them all.
We'll take a few. Here's some books we just stuck with them. We'll sell them to people. Good job.
Let's go find more stuff to take.
Okay, here we go on our journey to find more stuff to take.